Hare Krishna. Today we are discussing the success formula given by Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur in Chaitanya Bhagavat in the beginning. The verses today concerning are from 6 to 10. These are the 5 verses, very important verses. We'll quickly go through. So this is, according to him, is the success formula in any effort, in any endeavor in our life. Generally, people, before they start any good work, they remember God because they want to be successful in their effort. But he suggests something different. Okay? So this is the reading. Verse number 6. Ade Sri Chaitanya Priya Gosthira Charane Asesh Prakare Mor Danda Paraname. Bengali. So first of all, the translation is first of all, I bow down to the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya's dear associates and servants. I bow down Asesh Prakare without any reservation, with all my being. I bow down, offer my obeisances to the associates and servants of Lord Krishna. So, number 6. Then number 7. Tave Bando Sri Krishna Chaitanya Maheshwar Navdeep Avatar Nam Vishambhar. After bowing down to his associates and servants, he is bowing down to the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya, who appeared in Sri Navdeep Dham and who's named Vishwambhar. So first he is bowing down to his devotees, then he is bowing down, offering obeisances to God. Then he says in the verse number 8, Amar Bhaktera Puja Ama Haite Bado Sei Prabhu Vede Bhagavate Kaila Dada. He says, Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur is writing, Lord is saying, Krishna is saying, worship of my devotees is greater than that of mine. Worship of mine. And Lord has established this fact in Vedas, in Srimad Bhagavatam. Okay? So now he is quoting 11, 19, 21. Mad Bhakta Puja Bhyadika Sarva Bhuteshu Manmatihi. So this is a quotation from Srimad Bhagavatam. Mad Bhakta Puja Bhyadika. O Uddhava. Worship of my devotee is greater than my worship. And the same fact is emphasized in Madhya 11:31. The goddess Parvati is asking Lord Shiva. This quoted in Madhya Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya 11:30. It's originally from Puranas. So goddess is asking her husband that there's so many recommendations of worship in in Vedic texts. But can you tell me what is the best form of worship? Shiva said, sure. The best method of worship is Aradhana Nam Sarvesham Vishnu Aradhanam Param Tasmad Vishnu Aradhanam Param Tasmad Partaram Devi Tadiyanam Samarchanam. So there are many forms of worship, but worship of Vishnu is the best, is highest, is transcendental. But there is something beyond that also. And what is that? Tadiyanam samarchinam, worshipping Lord's pure devotees and those things which are connected to Him. So, just like Tulasi Devi, she is the foremost amongst the devotees of Krishna. So, that is the theme, recurrent theme of our scriptures, that worship of God. Just like they say, you want to please me, please my dog. If a gentleman is walking with his dog and you pat his dog, the gentleman is very happy. That is the idea. So the last verses of today's this theme of success formula. एते के करिलूं आगे भक्तिर बंधन अतएव आचे कार्य सिद्धिर लक्षण. This is number 10. So he says that is why, because he's writing a voluminous book, therefore I first and foremost I am offering my prayers to Lord Chaitanya's devotees, and therefore I am assured that I would be successful in my endeavor. So before we do anything, we should remember the pure devotees, and then we should remember God, and then we should start our work. Hare Krishna.